Anatomy physiology of female reproductive system. Female organs of reproduction. External reproductive organs, internal reproductive organs, and accessory reproductive organs. External reproductive organs. As a whole, the external female genital organs are known as vulva. So, the vulva consists of mons pubis. Mons pubis is in over the symphysis pubis and it's made of full of subcutaneous fatty tissues and loose connective tissues. Next is labia majora. It is two in number. It extended from the mons pubis to the perineum and it is made up with squamous epithelium and contains sweat glands. Then labia minora. It is also two in number, situated medial to the labia majora. Space between the two labia minora is called vestibule. Then clitoris. It is a short cylindrical erectile organ located just beneath the arch of pubis. Blood supply. Branches of pudendal artery and branches of femoral artery. Veins. Veins from plexuses. Nerve supply. The vulva is supplied mainly from the pudendal nerve S2, 3 and 4. Internal reproductive organs. The internal organs in female include vagina, uterus, fallopian tubes and the ovaries. Vagina. It is the fibromusculo-membranous organ. It constitutes the excretory channel for the uterine secretion and menstrual blood. Blood supply of vagina. Arterial supply. It includes vaginal artery. Nerve supply include pudendal nerve. Next is uterus. It is a thick, hollow, muscular organ located in the pelvis between the urinary bladder in front and the rectum behind. The normal weight of the uterus is 60 gram, length is 7 cm, width 5 cm and thickness is 2.5 cm. Structures of uterus. The outer one is called perimetrium, middle one is known as myometrium and the inner one in the cavity known as endometrium. Parts of uterus. Fundus. The part lies above the opening of the uterine tubes. It is dome-shaped. Then body. It is the usual site for implantation of the blastocyst. Isthmus. This is the narrow space between cavity and cervix. Cervix, which extends from the isthmus and ends at the external os, and it measures about 2.5 cm. Blood supply of the uterus. Arterial supply includes uterine arteries. Nerve supply of the uterus. Parasympathetic from S2, 3 and 4, sympathetic from T5 and T6 and T10, 11, 12 and L1. Next is uterine tubes or fallopian tubes. These are two muscular tubes which are about 10 semi long. They extended from the uterine cornu outward and laterally towards the ovaries. Parts of fallopian tubes. Isthmus, which connect the tube with the uterine cavity. Ampulla. This is the widest part where the fertilization usually takes place. Infundibulum. It is funnel shaped, opening near the ovary to which fimbriae are attached. Fimbriae. Finger-like ciliated projections which capture the ovum from the surface of the ovary. Blood supply of the fallopian tubes. Arterial supply branches from both the uterine artery and ovarian artery. Next is ovaries. Ovaries that present in a pair and it produces ovum. Blood supply of the ovaries. Arterial supply, ovarian artery. Nerve supply, sympathetic and parasympathetic nerves. Accessory reproductive organs. Breast. Breasts are paired mammary glands. Each mammary gland is made up of 15 to 25 lobes. It consists of glandular tissue, fibrous tissue and fatty or adipose tissues. Blood supply of the breast. Lateral thoracic artery, branch of the axillary artery and internal mammary artery. Nerve supply, it includes 4th, 5th and 6th intercostal nerves.